The Mustang GTD Liquid Carbon has made its debut at Laguna Seca Raceway, a fitting location to showcase how race-inspired lightweight carbon fiber transforms not just the look of the car, but also its performance. This special trim draws direct inspiration from the Mustang GT3 race car, which competes in the IMSA series, and takes the concept of exposed carbon fiber to another level by eliminating the paint process altogether. The result is a striking, aerodynamic appearance paired with uncompromised on-track capability. Functionality is at the core of its design. Skipping the paint process and swapping the sheet metal in the doors for bonded carbon fiber saves about 13 pounds compared to a Mustang GTD Carbon series equipped with the performance package. This weight reduction contributes to sharper handling and more responsive performance, staying true to its racing heritage. The attention to detail is remarkable. The carbon weave of the hood, roof, rear deck, and rear wing is perfectly aligned down the center line, while the fenders and side panels seamlessly match the vehicle's dorsal elements. A unique black Brembo brake caliper complements an anodized body with gloss black GTD badging, and the performance package comes as standard. Inside, the cabin blends racing focus with bold design. Black leather and Dynamica microfiber suede are paired with hyper-lime stitching across the seats, door panels, center console, instrument panel, and steering wheel. The seats feature a reflective gradient strip down the middle, adding a pop of visual energy to the purposeful interior. With the arrival of the Mustang GTD Liquid Carbon, alongside the standard model, Spirit of America, and Carbon Series, owners now have greater freedom to choose how much exposed carbon fiber they want in their build. The first deliveries are expected to begin in October. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss the latest in performance car news and reviews.